So this is our homemade fresh noodles. Ginawa ko ito kahapon. So ito na siya. I make it into chicken noodles. Fried chicken noodles. Ayan siya guys. So ako lang and my husband will eat for lunch today because the two kids are still in their computer. They study online. So ayan siya guys. Looks yummy. It looks yummy. Yummy, yummy. So these are the veggies that I'm going to use. We have carrots, celery, onion, spring onion, garlic. So that's it. It's very simple guys, and our meat is chicken. So for our chicken, you have to get rid of the fats and then you can slice it thinly. It's up to you guys if you slice it squared or you slice it pataas. It's up to you. So ito na siya. You have to marinate your chicken. We have here the leafy celery plus the leaf of the spring onions. We have celery stems, we have onions, and we have carrots. Ayan, kompleto na ang ricado. For our chicken, you have to cook your chicken with olive oil. If you want garlic, then go ahead, chicken plus the garlic. Then you have to cook your chicken, guys, and set it aside. After we cook the chicken, you have to use the same pan. You know why? Because this pan is clean and the brownish that stick to there is from the seasoning of the chicken. And that's yummy, you know. So you have to just add olive oil, then followed by your garlic and onions. And then after that, followed by the harder vegetables. So ang hard vegetable natin is carrots, and then we have to saute the carrots for a minute or two, and then the rest of the vegetables. That's very simple. Then take it out, set it aside, and then you have to cook your noodles. For the finale, we are going to cook our noodles. And now guys, for our noodles, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil or 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then you have to add garlic fresh or garlic in a jar, it doesn't matter. And then you have to add your noodles. Stir a little bit. Since halfway lang naluto ang noodles natin kagabi, what we're going to do to cook our noodles is to add 1 cup of water. Slow fire guys, medium fire to let your noodles cook. That's it. And then after that, you season your noodles. For me, I like to season with dark soy para mag-brown siya, plus oyster sauce, sriracha, black pepper, and garlic salt. It's up to you what you're seasoning, guys. And then after that, you are going to add your cooked chicken and cooked vegetable, stir it, and serve. Voila! You have a delicious meal. Yeah, I'm so excited. For my noodles, I like to use oyster sauce for my seasoning. And add your black pepper, add your dark soy sauce. I use Kikkoman for my dark soy. And then you are going to add the garlic, plus garlic salt. And the best is sriracha to give it a kick. Diba? So ayan siya guys. After you season your noodles, you have to stir it and make sure guys it will not stick to the pan. And then you are going to add 1 cup of water to 1.5 cup of water. Depends guys how much is your noodles. And then simmer it very low, in a low fire. Simmer it, cover it, so that our noodles will be cooked. And that's it. You add your cooked chicken and then you add your veggies, and then you are going to stir a little bit. Ito si veggies natin, it's already cooked. So after you add the veggies and the cooked chicken, then stir it, and you're good. So you have to adjust the seasoning. Okay, so our lunch will be served. Thank you guys for watching, and please, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and please click the notification bell, and I'll be uploading 7 videos a week. So ito na ang ating lunch. Yeah! So ito na ang ating noodles. You can make 3 ingredients of your noodles if you like. Flour, water, and salt. That's it. So makagawa na kayo ng noodles like this. So tingnan nyo guys, it's so yummy and it's homemade. So guys, ito ang ating lunch. Halfway na lang dahil nakain ko na kanina. Hindi ako na-video dahil kasama ko si Daddy. So ayan siya. Ang ating lunch is noodles. Ginawa ko kagabi, kahapon ng hapon. Kagabi ko na siya natapos. Matagal ang noodles. It takes siguro mga 3 to 4 hours. Matagal dahil the time na init mo siya, mga siguro 15 to 20 or 12 minutes to 20. Depende kasi pag kneading mo. Depende siya, and then you have to rest for an hour, and then i-stretch mo siya guys. I-stretch mo siya, and then gagawin mo siya ng coil. And then, ilagay mo siya sa plato, i-coil mo siya sa plato, and then you have to cover it and rest for another 1 hour. Bakit? Para madali siyang i-stretch. So, ganyan ang ginagawa ko. As you can see, ano mo siya si noodles pag ma-coil na siya after naka-rest na siya ng 1 hour. You have to, gawa na ng noodles. So after you knead your noodles, you have to rest it for an hour. Divide, because my noodles is 5 cups, so I have to divide into 3. Yeah, I have to divide into 3 because I have 3 plates. And then divide into 3, and then you have to stretch it. Stretch it like a snake. You have to do it. Keep on doing it. And then doing it, keep on doing it, and pulling on the side, and then if it's long, you have to coil it on the plate, put it on the plate and coil it. And then when it's coiled guys, you have to cover, and you have to cover it with a cling wrap. Cover it and leave it for an hour. I want my noodles thick, so it looks like this, very thick. Some of these noodles are tiny, you see? Some are tiny, some are big, and of course, we're just beginners. My friend taught me maybe 5 years back when we live in Kazakhstan. So it's really nice, guys. Until now, I still know how to do it. Stretch it. You have to stretch it by banging on your table. Banging. I don't know what's the term of that. So you have to stretch, and then you have to do that coiled noodle. So that's it. Very simple. Boiled it. Why you have to boil it? So that it will not stick together. You cannot eat it out. You know, you have to boil it before you make your noodles. You have to boil it so that it will not stick. You have to boil it so that you can keep it in the refrigerator. Otherwise, if you don't boil it and you cook it right away, I don't know if it cooks. I don't know. Maybe, but it's better to boil it so that it will expand. Yes, so I know how to make noodles. You can make it too. Don't make it perfect. You know, it's quarantine time. So all you have to do is just make your noodles. You don't need to buy Pansit somewhere there, fresh noodles. You can make it at home. Look at that. Look at my noodles. Yes, guys. Para silang mga ano. So this is not perfect noodles, but it's a noodles. It's been 5 years. So every time now you make your noodles, maybe there's an improvement. Of course there's an improvement every time you make noodles. So next time I have to make just water and salt and flour, of course. And look at my noodles. It's so yummy. So this noodles is with chicken. I add celery, since I have a lot of celery, the leafy part of your celery. You don't need to throw that away, right? And then I have this carrots, and onion and garlic. That's it. For your seasoning, it's up to you what you want for your seasoning. But for me, guys, it's nice if you add black soy sauce. Dahil I don't like the very pale kind of, you know, like human. Too much pale. Those pale people like to color their skin. But for me, I like to add some of the black soy sauce to make it a little bit brownish, you know. And for my seasoning, I add oyster sauce, soy sauce, black pepper, garlic salt, and sriracha sauce to make it a little bit of hot. So, yeah. If you want to make your noodles, let me know and comment below so that I will see your channel too, and I can see your any Facebook you want there. So just put hashtag Jennifer Noodles. Yes. Okay guys, let's do this. The noodles. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading 7 videos a week. So if you want to watch 7 videos a week, Jennifer's Clubhouse. Yes. Okay, bye.